Okay, electric car, take 25 from Bugeye guys. Here we go. A very special car. Thank you for coming with me today. This is the maiden drive with the new Quaife differential installed for limited slip, improved traction, better acceleration, better handling, more grip, all of that good stuff. So this car is now basically on its sort of third improvement set. It has a new program installed to better apply the power. Smoother, quieter, faster, better gearing, and just generally a lot cooler. So here we go. Let's first survive departing our driveway. Very good, and off to test the traction. I should say these are brand new Blockley 165 tires. Oh yeah. And so we want to be mindful that new tires are never at their best. Need to bed them in a little bit, scuff them up a little bit. Tight. This would be a typical place where you would get inside wheel spin on one of these. So you would get on the gas and you would lose adhesion on the inside wheel, especially slow turns. That kind of feels like both tires letting go simultaneously. So I think we're onto something here. You can kind of goose the back end out, which is really cool. You know, if you want to really skid, you can, but if you just want to bump the back end out of the car, this is kind of a whole new thing, because otherwise the inside wheel would be spinning and it's a very different balance. So I have to say, this is a delightful improvement. Having been through this parking lot in so many gas-powered Bugeyes, I can tell you that right here, if I get on it, I'm gonna just spin the inside wheel. And in this car, I'm sort of leaping the entire car forward into the turn, so I can kind of nurse the back end out a little bit. And it's actually quite wonderful. So I'd say we're on to something here, and if you had any doubt, a limited slip differential is just an outstanding thing to add to any Bugeye, gas or electric, or top fuel dragster for that matter. But that's the latest from our update on electric Bugeyes here and Quaife differentials from Bugeye guys.